What's up guys, today we'll be doing an unboxing of the Marshall Major headphones that I got from Lazada. I got it for about 850 pesos or $16.48. Now you might be wondering if this is an original. I don't think so, but we'll see how good they imitated it. So as you can see, the packaging is very well put together. They have a box over the actual box of the product. Now I used to have a Marshall headphones that I bought also in Lazada, and it was an original headphone. It lasted for about 2 years without any issues, but then the wires started failing on me and the headpiece started flaking. They made a pretty close imitation of the original version. The box and packaging seem solid and convincing. They copied the labels almost perfectly. Now for the actual item. My first impressions are that the look and build are almost identical with the original, but I can tell that the weight is a bit different. Also, I noticed that the material is a bit too rubbery compared to the original one, which is smoother and durable. Overall, they pretty much nailed every detail. Now for the sound. I tested it after opening and it's pretty good. It has a high bass output and a decent treble. In addition to the headphones, I also ordered a case for it, so I can travel with it and not worry about crushing the headphones inside my bag. I got it for about 404 pesos or $7.85. It's pretty good. The case is durable and simple. It goes really well with the headphones and maybe with other headphone brands too. That's it for today's unboxing. I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe, like, and comment down below what you think about ordering in Lazada and your thoughts about the imitation of the Marshall headphones.